Arkansas Pilgrim here again. It's the morning after I was working on those bee supers in my previous video. Working outside, hot and sweaty, and I was drinking, but I wasn't drinking on purpose the way I usually do here in the summers in the South. And I woke up, I got a little bit of a headache, so I think I got a little bit dehydrated. And if you get dehydrated, you need to get some electrolytes back in your system, not just water. So, and this is a simple recipe I found online, and there are others online too. And I'll put the recipes down in the description. But it's basically a half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of salt substitute, which is potassium chloride, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey in a quart of water. And it doesn't taste too bad. It's kind of I don't know, we call it Redneck Gatorade, I guess. And there's no sense showing or trying to show me measuring it out and mixing it up, one-handed using the camera. But I just wanted to go ahead and post this for others that, might need it once in a while. Do what you can with what you have, where you are. God bless y'all. See you next time.